Welcome to GRAHAs VR, Virtual Reality Product Demo.
Welcome to Kritilabs, Virtual Demo of PCMS, ProSec Card. Now we are looking at an employee using the ProSec Card to fulfill his compliance before entering the premises. He first scans his ID card, and then checks the body temperature. Once that's validated, he is scanned for his face mask, and finally uses the sanitizer dispenser to stay protected. As his temperature compliance is not met, he is having a word with the supervisor in charge to discuss further course of action.
This was a preview of one of our VR-based product demo application developed for Kritilabs. Check out grahasvr.com to learn more. Follow our social media handles to stay updated further.